Today we have a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Passenger Refuses Orders, Gets Huge Reality Check. Dark
Hey,
tents.
can you roll your window down? Guys. Hello.
What's up?
How's it going, guys?
What's up,
Hey, Officer Razine, police. The reason I pulled you over is the lights on your license plate, they don't work.
Oh,
Okay.
I need to fix it. I'm already home though, so.
Yeah, like there's no home base rule or nothing like that. So, do you have your license on you? And then, Bud, do you have an ID? Where's your ID at?
Oh, you making some fast movements, boy. Don't make the cop nervous. Might have to get you together. Like, oh, you moving too fast for me, boy. Hold up. Cop look nervous, man. He might be getting a little nervous. You don't know what he reaching for. Man, but listen, the real reason he stopped that is because it's not a big deal. That's not really a big deal ticket. Like, that's just like a fix-it ticket. You know, the lights in the back on your plate, it's supposed to be shining or whatever. But I guarantee, I think the real reason he stopped them is because, one, that's something he could stop them for. But also because the car looked real beat up. If that was a brand new, look nice, like, and it just the light bulbs was out or whatever, he not stopping that car. But the fact that it got all the tents, you know what I'm saying, pitch black, it's all bent up in the front, bent up in the back, like, yeah, hold on, we got to see what's going on with this vehicle here. That's the reason. But this guy right here, the passenger, he making too many subtle quick movements now. Don't go reaching and looking.
You okay, man?
See?
Okay.
Yeah. Why are you moving so much?
Why you worried?
Told you, too many quick movements.
I don't
You gonna ask, gotta step out.
That's fine. Can I take a look at that? Can you hand it to your buddy so I can't reach it?
It's cold.
Yeah, I know it's cold. '20 to 24, 27, 29.
Oh yeah, y'all gonna end up stepping out that vehicle, boy.
Okay, ma'am, do you have insurance? Okay, where's that at? Let me see it. He's being real.
He making it hot. Y'all gonna end up stepping out that car. Yeah. Scared for my safety.
Is that a yes or no to insurance? Right. You don't know if your own car has insurance or not? Okay, just wait in the car for me. Yeah. Okay. Have her step out.
Tell you. Step out.
I heard that one. Yeah, I had it last one.
So there's cannabis wrapper in the back. How much cannabis is in the car?
In the car? No, there's none in the car.
Right. Well, you left a bag of it in the back. I don't know if it's empty or it's got a
It's
little
empty.
bit
You
of
could check it. I haven't got nothing.
All right. Well, that's like I said. If that's the case, it's not a big deal.
No, it's nothing in here. I don't got nothing to hide.
All right, boss man, you just want to wipe your hands, set your food down. I'm gonna have to ask you to step out, okay?
I'm telling you, that weed gonna get you every time, man. These smokers, these smokers, man. That's the number one. It's so easy to get you with that. You got to be on point, man.
That's his house.
It's his house? Okay.
But I'll be right here.
All right. Is that where you guys were headed then?
Yes, we just got food.
Okay.
Ooh, look.
You have a jacket in there?
No.
No?
I got
Right.
I gotta ask though.
What's up, man?
What's the point of me stepping out if I'm the passenger?
Because I'm gonna switch the car and I can't have you in the car, okay? So just step out. You can just leave your stuff
He
there.
making it hot.
We'll come back to it. Don't worry. All right. Do you have anything on you?
Why?
So I just gotta pat you down, okay? I gotta pat you down for
what?
weapons. That's all. So just
Why
turn
you
around
gotta
and face
pat me
the
down
car.
if I'm the passenger?
Because I gotta pat you down, and then
I
you're
have
gonna go
nothing
stand
to
over
do
there.
with
So just turn around. I'm gonna pat you down, and then you're gonna go sit by your friend, okay? It's real simple, man.
All right.
All right, get your hands out of your pocket. Get your hand out of your pocket. Turn around. Just keep your hands up, okay? On the flash. I'm gonna pat you down, okay? Put your hands up on the car. Stop reaching for your pockets.
I never reached. What are you talking about?
Just put your hand in your pocket, okay?
I never
Just
reached
stop.
my
Keep your
pocket.
hands up.
Come on, no. Keep on the car. Right?
Yeah.
Hands up, dude.
Damn.
There you go.
Big, bro.
Yeah, go by your girl.
Your ass fruit.
Go over there.
Your ass a fruit.
Go over there.
Oh man. You probably didn't hear what he said, but he's, oh my God. Yeah, he credit card swiped him. So the dude said, yo, you grabbing my whatever, and then he said, your ass is fruit, meaning you a fruit cake, meaning you gay, homosexual, whatever, right? That's what he's meaning. But yo, that's so funny. Oh man, that's hilarious. I ain't gonna lie, that's hilarious. That credit card swipe get you every
Go
time.
by your girl.
Your ass fruit.
Go over there. Hands up, dude.
See, look, you gotta watch. You gotta watch the hand.
Keep on the car. Right?
You gotta get up in there. Watch. Okay, cool. Oh, gotta get up in there, boy.
Damn. Big, bro.
Yeah, go by your girl.
Your ass fruit.
Go over there.
Your ass a fruit.
Go over there.
Stop touching me.
Go over there.
Like I say before, typically the pat frisks that happen on the side of the road, they're bullshit pat frisks, okay? But the reason that, but then you have the credit card swipe too, you know what I mean, where you gotta really get up in there, you know what I'm saying? You gotta really make sure he ain't got nothing, gotta get up in there and start feeling around. But and that's what he did to him, which the only reason they did that is because of his movements in the vehicle. If he was acting regular, he would have got a regular pat down. But the fact that he doing all the movement, moving around real fast, trying to dig and all of that, acting like an asshole. Why I gotta get out? Why you gotta pat me down? Why you gotta doing all of that extra stuff? It raises the cops' suspicion of you, and stuff. So they gonna pat you down real good, you know, where he would have had a regular pat down if he wasn't doing all of that stuff, because he is the passenger, you know.
Step back over here.
But he acting weird. See? Oh man.
Stay there.
No, why the fuck would you do that? He was just moving over there.
He's not listening.
He was literally moving over here.
Stay there.
Y'all being aggressive as fuck.
You need to stop.
And no. You need to stop. You're being mad
So just
aggressive.
stand there.
Talk about he was putting his hands in his pocket when he wasn't. There was
He was.
mad. There was up.
Okay, you need to stop.
No, you need to stop. Fuck are you talking about? Why you got him on the floor like that, bro? He wasn't doing shit. Y'all weird as fuck. Can y'all hurry up what you were doing? The fuck? He didn't do shit. Y'all weird as fuck. And you, I know you.
22-24. We have one in custody.
He didn't even do shit. Show weird ass, scary ass. Don't come at me
he
like
moving
that.
around and
Okay,
shit.
We're walking around. Go stand by the front of the car.
That's what I'm saying.
It's cold. How do you want me to stay in one place? Are you
It's
guys
warmer.
okay?
It's warmer by the
There's
engine.
weed in the car. It's not that big of a deal, man.
I want to smell like
Talking about a little bit of weed.
There's a bag in the back.
Mom, you got some weed in the car?
Oh, there's nothing. Check the car, guys.
That's a little bag in the back.
But there's nothing in the bag. Go ahead, check.
We are gonna
Y'all
check.
did this shit before. Come on. Do
All
the
that's
routine. There's
weird.
nothing in the car. You're never going to find
You don't gotta
shit.
touch me no more.
Keep trying, bro.
Ma'am, stay here.
Yeah.
I'm chilling. I'm cold. Do you not get that?
Go stand
I
in
got a
front of the
little
car.
ass jacket. Chill.
Why don't you zip it up?
I don't got, why don't you mind your business?
Jaleo was charged with resisting a peace officer. Additional court details are not available for this case. If you liked that video, leave a comment.
They charging him for that? If that was all that happened, let me see. I gotta look at that again. Cause I don't. Yeah, he's being weird, but yeah, you patted him down. Don't have nothing. Let me see.
Big, bro.
Yeah, go by your girl.
Your ass fruit.
Go over there.
Your ass a fruit.
Go over there.
Stop touching me.
Go over there.
Your ass is gone.
Okay, so he said go over there.
Step back over here.
You don't gotta touch me, bro.
No. What the fuck? Don't do that. Don't do that.
Stay there.
No, why the fuck would you do that?
Yeah. I mean, let me see. I gotta watch this again. Yeah.
Go over there.
Stop touching me.
Go over there.
Your ass is gone.
Okay, so the officer says go over there, right? Doesn't really give a particular place. Let me see. So he starts to walk back towards his door.
Step back over here.
You don't gotta touch me, bro.
Okay, so he tells him to step back over there, but he continues to walk forward.
No. What the fuck? Don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Not listening, not paying attention to the directions, man. You know, the whole time he asked to go to jail. I ain't gonna lie. Like you asking for it. Resisting. I mean, what he was charged with? With resisting or obstruction? What he was charged with? Resisting officer. He ain't getting nothing for that. He ain't getting no time for that. Or well, I don't mean that he's not gonna get no time, but that's probably gonna get dropped, honestly. That's probably gonna get dropped. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.